How to record video call on Snapchat without them knowing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to record video calls on Snapchat without them knowing. First of all, just open your Snapchat account, and you need to understand that recording someone's video or photo is not advisable in terms of privacy and other factors. Since Snapchat has a video call option and you can make video call to your friends and family over here, that doesn't mean that you got the access to record their private video calls. But if you want to record let's say a phone call on or an audio call on Snapchat, you can do that by just simply clicking on this record icon that I'm currently using for my phone. And similarly, you will also get the option in your Android mobile as well. Just simply go to your friend list and select the person you want to make the call, and just make the call over here, and make sure to ask their permission before you start recording their call, because they will get the notification and it doesn't sound well if you record their voice or their video without them knowing. Just simply tell them that you are going to record the video for so and so reason. And yeah, that's how you will be able to record video call on Snapchat without them knowing, using this trick while letting them know and making sure that you are not breaching someone's privacy.